Why can't I change my birthday on Snapchat? Hi everyone, welcome back to TechTube. In today's video, I will guide you on why you can't change your birthday on Snapchat. So to get started, once you have opened your Snapchat application, you can go ahead and tap on that gear icon, and then you can go ahead and tap on that birthday. So now here, as you can see on the screen, that you can only change your birthday a limited numbers of times. So this may be the reason you cannot change your birthday for many times, or you can say there is a limit to change your birthday. So simply what you're gonna do is add your birthday carefully while you are creating a Snapchat account, or while you want to change your birthday on Snapchat, because once you have changed your birthday for a limited number of times, you won't be able to change your birthday whenever you want. So this is how it is easy and simple. I hope you found the video to be helpful and informative. If yes, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.